If your erections used to feel like steel cables and now they're more Wi-Fi signal, this video's for you. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how simple Kegel and pelvic floor exercises can improve blood flow, make your erections harder, and help them last longer, without pills, just a few minutes of work a day. Stay with us until the end and you'll have a complete routine you can start tonight. For this video, we really need your like and your subscription. It costs you nothing, but for us it's huge. It motivates us, helps us see what to improve, and which topics you want next. And if you don't help us out, let's just say your pelvic floor might stay as weak as a pudding until our next video. So don't waste time, stay with these infographics till the end and let us help you fix things.
First things first, let's get one major myth out of the way. A lot of guys think erections are all in your head or about hormones. And yeah, those things play a part, for sure. But at its core, an erection is a physical, vascular event. It's about blood flow. Arteries pump blood into the penis, and then, this is the crucial part, a group of muscles has to trap it there. These are your pelvic floor muscles. Think of them like a muscular hammock holding everything up. There's one muscle in particular, the bulbospongiosus, that literally wraps around the base of your penis. When that muscle is strong, it clamps down, locks the blood in, and gives you a rock-solid, lasting erection. If it's weak, well, that's when blood can leak out and things fade.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. Look at that number. A huge study back in 2005 took a group of men who were dealing with erectile dysfunction. They put them on a program of pelvic floor exercises, and the results were just staggering. A full 75% of them, 3/4 of the men in the study, either completely reversed their issues or saw a massive improvement. That's not a pill, not some magic potion. It was a real erectile dysfunction treatment that worked, simply by targeting this one specific group of muscles. This stuff is the real deal. It's clinically proven.
So the big question is, how do we strengthen that pelvic floor? It all starts with an exercise you've probably heard of, the Kegel. And let's be clear, Kegels are not just for women. For men, these exercises are the absolute foundation. They're one of the most powerful, natural ways to boost firmness, gain more control, and just improve your overall pelvic health. When you do them the right way, this simple erection exercise is like taking the key erection muscle to the gym.
Okay, so let's get the technique right, because this is where a lot of people go wrong. Step 1 is just finding the right muscles. The classic trick is this. Next time you're urinating, try to stop the flow midstream. The muscles you feel clenching up, bingo, that's your pelvic floor. But listen, and this is important, only do that once, just to find them. Don't make a habit of it. The proper way to practice is to lie down, put a couple of fingers on your perineum, that spot right between your scrotum and anus, and then squeeze that same muscle. You should feel a little bulge or tightening under your fingers, but your abs, your butt, your thighs, they should be totally relaxed. It's a very subtle internal lift, not a big body squeeze.
Now, before you get all excited and decide you're going to do 500 Kegels a day, I need you to stop. There is a critical warning we have to talk about, because for a lot of guys, going all in on Kegels can actually backfire and make things worse.
Here's why. Not all pelvic floor problems are about weakness. You can have a weak or hypotonic pelvic floor, that's what we've been talking about, muscles that can't trap blood, but a huge number of men, especially guys who sit a lot, are under a ton of stress, or even lift weights with bad form, have the total opposite problem, a tight or hypertonic pelvic floor. Their muscles are basically stuck in a constant state of contraction. They're overworked, shortened, and they can't relax. This is a game-changing piece of information.
And this really gets to the heart of the problem. If your pelvic floor muscles are already super tight and overactive, what do you think happens when you just do strengthening exercises like Kegels over and over? You're just tightening a knot that's already there. A muscle that can't relax can't function properly. Instead of controlling blood flow, it ends up restricting it, which can lead to weaker erections, discomfort, and even pain. You're trying to solve the problem by making it worse.
So what's the answer? This is the key takeaway of the whole thing. The real solution isn't just about strength. It is all about balance. A healthy, functional muscle is one that can contract with power, but also relax and lengthen completely. So what we're going to do now is go through a complete, balanced routine. These pelvic exercises for men are designed to build both strength and flexibility for peak pelvic floor health and, powerful erections.
Let's start with relaxation. This is the happy baby stretch, and it's fantastic for releasing tension. You just lie on your back, bring your knees up towards your chest, and grab the outsides of your feet. Now here's a little pro tip. Use your elbows to gently push your knees wider apart. You'll feel this amazing, gentle stretch deep in your groin and right in that perineum area. Just hang out here, breathe deep and slow, and let those muscles go.
Next up, the deep squat. This movement is an absolute powerhouse for pelvic health. When you just sit in a deep squat, you decompress that entire pelvic region. It opens up your hips and lets blood flow in freely. But it also does something else. It sends a signal to your nervous system that your lower body is safe and stable. And when your brain gets that signal, it can finally let go of that high-tension state, which is crucial for healthy sexual function.
And finally, we have to build a strong foundation around the pelvic floor. That's where the glute bridge comes in. See, your glutes are a primary support system for your pelvis. When your glutes are weak, which happens to almost everyone who sits a lot, your little pelvic floor muscles have to work overtime to pick up the slack. They get strained and tight. By strengthening your glutes, you give your pelvis the stability it needs, taking the pressure off your pelvic floor so it can do its job properly.
Okay, so now we've got all the pieces of the puzzle. How do we put them together into a routine that actually works? Here's a simple, powerful action plan. This isn't about spending hours in the gym. When it comes to effective erectile dysfunction exercises, it's all about consistency.
So here it is, your weekly plan. For the basic Kegels, do them every day. 3 sets of 10 quick contractions. Don't hold them long. Just think of it like flicking a light switch on and off. This builds responsiveness without adding tension. Then, every single day, maybe before you go to sleep, do that happy baby stretch. Hold it for about 40 seconds and do that twice. Then, about 3 to 5 times a week, work in the deep squat and the glute bridge. Stick with this plan, be patient, give it about 8 to 12 weeks, and you can expect to see some serious, noticeable results.
Let's end on this note. Look, struggling with erections doesn't mean you're broken. It's a common part of the human experience. And as this quote says, you are not powerless here. This isn't about just accepting that things are going downhill. It's about taking action and actively rebuilding. These exercises are the tools you need to take back control of your own sexual health. It's the small, consistent steps, done the right way, that lead to really profound, lasting changes. You absolutely have the ability to build a foundation for years of confidence and reliable performance.